Hello Java developers, let's create a new program of Java 500 program series that belongs to string basics program. Okay, this is our program compare string. So we need to compare two strings and they are equal or not. So let's find out. Okay, now we are in VS Code and let's create a file inside this, that is compare.java. Okay, go inside this file and write class, public class compare. Go inside this class and write man method public static void man public static void man and write scanner class ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट करेंगे हम scanner s equal to new scanner system dot in close by semicolon. Okay, now let's take two string to compare them. Okay, so first write system.out.println, enter string one, yeah, enter first string. Okay, plus sorry, then and we should remove this ln also. Okay, then take string str1 equal to sc dot next line semicolon. Now let's take another one, that is enter second string str2 equal to sc dot next line semicolon and remove this ln. Okay, after that what we gonna add, that is to compare them, just use directly if string 1 डॉट इक्वल्स का यूज करेंगे और यहाँ पे क्या लेंगे हम स्ट्रिंग 2 से कंपेयर करना है हमें. इफ दिस इज फुलफिल्ड देन राइट strings are equal, else system.out.println string are strings are not equal. Okay, so this is our program. Let's check, is this equal or not. Okay, enter string, enter first string, that is Java, enter second string, that is also Java. So these are same and it will return string strings are equal. Now run this again and now compare Java and Python. So they are not equal, so string are not equal. Now try to do one more thing, that is Java and Java. So they are not equal. Why? Because this equals convert, no, okay, sorry, this equals compare only same same string means size of string and same characters of string if they are in small case or capital case and both in different strings. Okay, so they will not same for this. And if we use different thing, that is equals ignore case, this one. तो ignore case क्या करता है, हमें ignore कर देता है capital और small का comparison. Okay, run this again and let's take a new string Java, string first and Java. Now they are equal, so strings are equal. Okay, तो ignore कर देता है capital और small letter का comparison. Okay, ये automatically सबको small case में convert करके compare कर देता है. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe if this video is helpful for you. We will meet in our new video of Java 500 program series. Okay, so thanks for watching.